So today I'm going to cover one of the most frequently asked interview question for project management interviews. That is, tell me a situation where you had a difficult stakeholder, or tell me a situation where you handled a challenging situation. Either of these questions you can answer with an example, and one of the example that I'm going to tell you here is going to be common with most of the project managers because we have to handle and deal with conflict. The example that I'm going to give here is common for either a challenging situation or a stakeholder management or dealing with conflict. All right, so here is the answer. I had a difficult time in one of my projects where my project stakeholder would constantly dismiss my ideas or suggestions that I put forth. I find it very disturbing because this was happening right in front of my cross-functional team, and it would question my authority over the team. So I had to handle this situation. So what I did was to have a one-on-one with the stakeholder and asked her why she was not so supportive about my ideas or suggestions. And she told me that she was not doing it intentionally and she did not realize that it was coming across as questioning or dismissive. Rather, she was trying to add on to my point, but the way she was doing it made it so much difficult, or it made it sound like she was dismissing my point and she was putting forward her idea. So once I clarified that with her, she understood what's going on, and then she immediately rectified it. And then on in the future meetings, she made sure that she's supportive and adding on to the point rather than being dismissive of my statement. And after that incident, all the meetings were super easy to deal with because she understood where she has to stand, and it made it easier for me to work collaboratively with her successfully. That's the answer that I would give. So with this example, you're demonstrating that you have faced the challenge head on and resolved it by talking to that person directly. So that gives a glimpse of managing difficult stakeholder or difficult situation, or how you would handle conflict. And it also, at the end, when I stated that after that incident she corrected her part and things went smoothly, that shows that it's all in a professional setting, and by doing that you fixed an issue, otherwise you would have to deal with it throughout your project. So this was an example that I gave in one of my interviews. So you can use this one or a variation of this answer depending on what situation you had in your project. So I hope this helped you in certain way to think about how to answer difficult situation or conflict or handling a difficult project, because you can use this example in any of those scenarios. So that's all for today. Wanted to share this quick information and hope you find it useful. If you did, give it a like and consider subscribing for more project management videos. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye.